You're on board the news track. It was Narendra Modi's fifth visit to Kedarnath as Prime Minister. Today he unveiled the statue of Adi Shankaracharya. The Samadhi has been reconstructed after its destruction in the 2013 Uttarakhand floods. Prime Minister Modi has a special connect with the hallowed grounds of Shiv Bhakts, from where he declared that his inner voice had said that Kedarnath will rise again.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Kedarnath darshan filled with devotion and symbolism. The Prime Minister touched down at Kedarnath early Friday morning and immediately made his way to the Kedarnath Dham. It's his fifth visit to Kedarnath. After becoming Prime Minister, Narendra Modi was seen performing the Rudrabhishek. He performed the Aarti, the Jalabhishek and the Rudrabhishek, meditating in the Sanctum Sanctorum and also performing Parikrama of the divine Himalayan shrine.
गोवर्धन पूजा के दिन केदारनाथ जी में दर्शन पूजन करने का मुझे सौभाग्य मिला है। बाबा केदार के दर्शन के साथ ही अभी मैंने आदि शंकराचार्य जी की समाधि स्थान वहां कुछ पल मैंने बिताए। एक दिव्य अनुभूति का वो पल था।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi did not land empty-handed at Kedarnath. He gifted the state a slew of development projects, including at the temple complex.
साथियों, हमारी उपनिषदों में आदि शंकराचार्य जी की
Addressing a large gathering of seers and devotees, Prime Minister lauded the Uttarakhand government for boosting the revival of the Kedarnath temple after the 2013 floods wreaked havoc and damaged large parts of the complex.
जो लोग यहां आते थे वो सोचते थे कि क्या अब ये हमारा केदार धाम या हमारा केदारपुरी फिर से उठ खड़ा होगा क्या? भीतर की आवाज कह रही थी ये पहले से अधिक आन बान शान के साथ खड़ा होगा।
The Prime Minister also announced that construction work was underway and the Char Dhams, Badrinath, Dwarkadhish, Jagannath Puri and Rameshwaram would be connected by road and boost religious tourism.
आज उत्तराखंड की सरकार यहां विकास के महायज्ञ से जुड़ी है, पूरी ताकत से जुड़ी है। चार धाम सड़क परियोजना पर तेजी से काम हो रहा है। चारों धाम हाईवे से जुड़ रहे हैं।
The Prime Minister made a promise to locals to boost tourism and ensure that no local feels the need to move to cities.
जिस प्रकार से उत्तराखंड के छोटे छोटे स्थानों पर प्रकृति की गोद में होम स्टे का नेटवर्क बन रहा है, सैकड़ों होम स्टे बन रहे हैं। माताएं बहनें और लोग भी जो यात्री आते हैं वे भी होम स्टे को पसंद करने लगे हैं। रोजगार भी मिलने वाला है, स्वाभिमान से जीने का अवसर भी मिलने वाला है।
From Ram Temple in Ayodhya to Kashi Corridor and Bodh Circuit, Prime Minister talked about spirituality and development under one umbrella while speaking at Kedarnath. PM Modi offered prayer at Lord Kedarnath Temple and unveiled statue of Lord Jagadguru Shankaracharya. Prime Minister emphasized the significance of Shankaracharya, how he united the religiously divided country with his all efforts by establishing Math and Jyotirlingas. In Kedarnath, with Pradeep Gupta, this is Ashutosh Mishra for India Today.
This is where I wrap up the news track tonight. For your time and your trust, thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you 8 p.m. Monday evening. Till then, from all of us here, have a great weekend. Bye-bye. Happy Diwali.